At Rescue Restoration, we're not just another restoration service. We're your partners during some of the most challenging times you might face. Fully licensed and insured, we specialize in water, storm, fire, and smoke damage. Around the clock, our dedicated team is ready to step in with unmatched professionalism, care, and empathy. Call now, 917-549-2924. Our expertise doesn't end there. Whether it's water extraction, drying, or mold remediation, we ensure your problems are addressed rapidly and expertly. As a renovation company too, our seasoned professionals have a track record of transforming countless properties affected by water, mold, or fire. We're not just restoring structures, we're rebuilding dreams. Our commitment? To resolve issues promptly without compromising precision. Every call is met with genuine courtesy, and every job we undertake is infused with dedication and excellence. We also liaise seamlessly with insurance adjusters to maximize your restoration, ensuring a result that's nothing short of perfect. Our suite of services includes water damage, fire and smoke damage, storm damage, reconstruction, mold remediation, lead paint removal, asbestos abatement, property damage appraisals, expert estimating, expert witness testimony, commercial water damage, commercial fire damage. Rescue Restoration, where expertise meets empathy. Call us now at 917-549-2924 and let us turn today's damage into tomorrow's fresh start.